Okay, we're getting ready to go through the toll booth here in Kansas. We already got our ticket. I guess we give them to see how much we pay.
Been in line about 7 minutes. Finally getting there.
Yeah.
The phone has died, so cannot record with it anymore until we get it charged, which I'm getting ready to do.
I have no idea how much this is going to be. We are next in line. Well, as soon as we're able to. Oh, it's okay. $275.
There you go.
All right, thanks. Well, that wasn't too much at all. That's not what I expected.
Well, not for the condition of the roads up here,
Yeah.
but wait a minute, that's $275. There's only 2 in West Virginia. So I mean, we're gonna pay another $275 on the way back.
Yeah.
So actually, it's more than what was in West Virginia.
Yeah, in West Virginia, we only had to pass through one. So that was only $2. So.
No, I think I figured it out. On the main road, you get your ticket, and whatever exit you get off on, then you have to pay.
Yeah.
So it's $275, which is more than in West Virginia.
I guess. Yeah.
No, I think you need some rest. $275 is more than $2.
Yeah, but if you think about it, if you're going from Charleston to Beckley, you're paying $4.
Well, I know, but just on the way down here it was only $2, so that's actually more. So I've got the phone charging and figured out the toll situation. So if you come through Kansas, pick up your ticket, whatever exit you get off of, you pay. At least that's the way we have it figured.
Yeah, because it had different prices for different exits. And I think on one exit it was $12.
No, I think that. No, I think that was different prices for different vehicles. Really.
I don't know.
Anyway, that's the toll situation.